Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Savannah, and today I'm going to be doing a challenge video. I don't do a lot of these here because I kind of just like to do my own thing, but I've seen this really fun video. It's called Google chooses my makeup look, or Google picks my makeup, something along those lines. You type in the first letter of your first name, the first letter of your last name, plus the word look. Whatever the first image that pops up under Google Images is going to be your inspiration photo. So I thought it would be kind of fun, and I enjoy a challenge. So bring it on, Google. So for instance, mine would be SB look. And we're gonna see what comes up. Out of all things that could come up, a pair of freaking sneakers. I was hoping it would be some exotic bird or something crazy. But no, I get a pair of shoes. These are obviously Nike SB sneakers, and that's my initials. Lucky me. But yeah, I'm gonna zoom in and kind of show you guys what it looks like. So this is what Google has chosen for me. If you can't tell what it is, it's pretty much a pair of black sneakers. It has some gold detailing here. On the bottom, it has kind of an ombre fade of an orangey red, a blue, and then a purple slash violet. So that could be fun. I'm not mad. At least it's got color in it, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and pull some palettes and products that I wanna use to create a look inspired by this Nike sneaker. And I'll be right back.
So I'm going to start out by using the Kat Von D Saint and Center palette. First I'm going to be taking the shade Martyr, and I'm going to just be haphazardly applying this into my crease area and just blending it about. This is just kind of a matte, warm brown shadow. Then taking Sabbath, which is blacker than black. I'm going to be building this up onto my lid, and I'm going to be covering my whole entire lid space with this shade. Hence, you know, the shoe color entirely, for the most part, is black, so that's why I decided to go with pretty much a black smoky eye to start out with. And as I'm applying it, I'm going to kind of start blending the edges out as well, just to kind of soften everything up. Then going in with a fluffy blending style brush, I'm going to be doing just that and blending out the edge. Then I'll be grabbing a little bit of the darker brown shade called Crucifix, and this will help blend the two shades together that I use as my transition and to soften up the edge of the black eyeshadow. And as I'm blending, I'm just going to kind of wing out the outer edge because I prefer that look on my eye shape. Now taking the Morphe 12P palette, I'm going to be mixing a little orange and red to apply on my lower lash line. This will be the ombre on the bottom of the shoe. Then I'm going to follow that up with purple, and after that I will be following that up with blue, and that will complete the ombre effect. Then with a blending brush, I'm just going to go underneath that to soften up the edges and kind of blend everything together just a little bit. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be taking Relic, which is a bright, bold yellow gold, and I'm going to be applying this in the center of my lid to, you know, kind of create a halo effect, and this really pops against the black. And This will be like the gold accents in the shoe. Then taking more of the black, I'm going to apply it right in the inner corner and outer corner to darken that up and add more depth. I'll also be popping some of that gold in my inner corner as a highlight. And I went ahead and applied some lashes. Now I'm just going to go in with some mascara. This is from Benefit called Bad Gal Bang. Just going to be applying mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Now for lips. This is where I was kind of stumped. I was going to do a nude lip, but then I decided I wanted to do color. I was going to do like an orangey color that I saw in the shoe, but I decided to go with blue because I love blue lips. I wasn't sure how it's going to look just yet with the look, but I think I pulled it off. And for shits and giggles, I'm just going to pop some of that same gold shade I used on my lid on my Cupid's bow / upper lip. Then I'm just going to quickly finish up my face. I'm going to go back in and apply some more bronzer and then follow that up with some blush. This is the Benefit California blush, and then of course I'm going to go in and add a little bit of highlight. I'm using today the Mary Loumanizer highlight from the Balm. It's not super golden and it's not super like cool toned. It's kind of in between. That's why I chose to go with it. And this will pretty much complete this look.
Well guys, this is the completed look for the Google Chooses My Makeup Look Challenge. And it's safe to say this is probably one of the gaudiest makeup looks I've ever done. But this challenge was super fun and I enjoyed doing it. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you. Please subscribe before you leave, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!